Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad ki Sangma ni kesengi ula pelai patba ya ke CM Impact Meghalaya Class Readiness Program e-books. Ban pun ya ki jingkiang ban pun ya ki jingkiang padang ki kerdan ban yo ya ke jingjop ke bakrau. Habakren ha ni kesengi Conrad Sangma ula pentip bawat habala pentreikam mikrokom treikam berper-per ban penkeladur ya kenat puli putih ke Meghalaya Class Readiness Program kedai umau jam. Man penbahaya ke puli putih omtang hagi kedan secondary Henry Ru hagi primary but upper primary. Ke Meghalaya Class Readiness Program kedai ke program balapan wandur ban penkop bor hagi kena puli bahkan penkelain ya kajing treikam ke puli putih.
This is not a supplement in any way the classroom environment and the aspect of the course being taught and in a proper manner throughout the year. But at least we're hopeful that these interventions will help a bit, and a marginal improvement in what we're trying to do. But at the end of the day, we have to ensure that the classrooms function as they should be functioning, give the education to the children as it should be. Our learning outcome numbers are very, very less. So out of 200, out of 250, yeah. So our 34 points out of 240. So that's like the lowest in the country. These numbers is what has in fact encouraged us or motivated us to come out with steps like these.
Halo kajing yakhi ki patba persya